Thank you for calling support. This is Jeff. How may I help?
Hello, Jeff. Yes, I've got an issue with my computer. I've got a message here. It's telling me to call
Mm-hmm.
you.
What does it say?
It says that your computer has been infected with some kind of a virus, and my securities are at risk of Facebook login, credit card details. Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, it says that I ought to call this number, so I need to get it. I need to get it sorting.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll definitely assist you to fix this problem. Exactly what were you doing on the computer when you got this alert?
Well, I went to watch a video. It was you know that film is it's coming out at the cinema next week. I thought I might watch it now. And then it said click on the link. So I clicked on the link and this thing came up, and I think I've. Oh no.
Okay.
Mm,
And what do you use this computer for?
well, I use it to buy shopping and chat to my grandchildren on the Facebook. They have the Facebook, you see, and then they do the things.
Okay. And may I know the make of this computer?
Asus, I think it is.
Asus. Alright. And is
Mhm.
it the best callback number for you?
Is
Which
it
is
a
four one
4-1?
nine 871 3148.
Yes, you can call me back on that number.
Okay. So in order to fix this issue, we need to connect the system to the secure server. Then I'll let you know what needs to be done. Alright?
Okay. Yes. So how am I going to connect you up?
Okay. Take a look on the keyboard. On the very bottom row, left side, there is Windows key having 4 squares on it.
For yes, I see that. It's next to
Windows key.
CTRL and ALT.
Yes.
Yes.
So hold that key down.
Yes.
Press
Okay.
and hold it down.
Yes.
While holding it down, at the same time press R, R as in Robert.
Robert. Okay. A little box has
Right.
popped up. It says type the name of a program and a document. Windows will open.
Right. Right.
Yes.
Perfect. In that box, next to open, there is a place where you can type. Is that empty?
Yes, that's empty.
Alright, please type inside it.
Yes.
I as in indigo,
I
E as in echo, E
echo.
as in echo,
Yes.
X as in X as in X-ray,
X-ray. Okay.
P as in Pennsylvania,
Pennsylvania. Okay.
L as in Louisiana,
Luciana.
O as in Oscar,
Oscar.
R as in Romeo.
Romeo.
Right, so this complete word is I explore, right?
Yes.
Then give a space,
Space.
then type www dot,
W. So it's like a website.
pardon?
That's like a website, isn't it? Where you go www and then you
Right.
put in, yes,
Dot.
dot.
After dot, help me. It's one word. HELPME.
Yes, help me.
Help me. Dot.
Dot
Dot.
dot.
And just a single dot, not the
Yes.
double.
Okay, single dot.
Okay. Then net.
Any tea? Is that tea like in the drink or tea as in golf tea?
T T as in tango.
A tango. Oh, net. Okay.
Right. So now click OK.
Okay. It says. Oh no, this can't be right. It says lose weight fast. Diet plan weight loss.
What does it say now? When you click OK, what does it say?
It says this website is for sale. Help me resources and
Mm-hmm.
information.
So do that thing again, please. Press Windows
Try
and R
again.
again on the keyboard.
Help me dot net. Oh yes, it says establish support connection. Your name, security
Yes.
keys. Yes.
Yes. So please enter that.
Well, I can enter my name, but I don't know my security key. Okay.
Then click on continue.
It
So
wants
now
me
click on continue.
goat
Click on
opener.
continue and tell me what comes up next.
It says connecting to go to assist. Start. Do you want to allow the
Perfect.
following? Make changes to the computer.
Yes. Click yes.
Okay.
So you would be getting some options on the screen. Now click yes again
Oh, it says
to approve the session.
yes. Yes. Okay.
Alright. Thank you so much. So the system is connected. Now please leave the mouse. Don't use the mouse. And I'll
Okay.
go ahead and diagnose the problem. In the meantime, this call is being monitored for the quality and training purpose. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, sounds good. Just give me a second. Let me check out the machine now. Okay, so I'm speaking with John, right?
Yes.
Alright, John. So how are you doing today?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Oh, what is this? Scam. This PC is working Terry Mackie Chute.
Just give me a second.
Okay.
Oh. Just a second. Just
Okay.
give me a second.
Yeah.
Let me diagnose the problem. Let me check that. Yeah, it seems there are a lot of problems, and you have been facing.
Why have you written about your arsehole?
बहन की डंडी के बच्चे बहन की डंडी के बच्चे तेरी बहन को जो तू है कहाँ से तू बता मेरे को तू कहाँ से है कहाँ पे काम करता बता मेरे को पहले वो तेरी कहाँ से मुंबई से है दिल्ली से है बेंगलोर से कहाँ से है बता
Ah, you tried a Syskey me, did ya? Fool.
बहन की डंडी के बच्चे
मारू मादर चोला लोड़े